gun was at 45 degrees. Coming now to the report which you received from Chaiva.
Chaiva dambudziko rake ndichiri ku Zanu Pf ndindakamukwekeretsa ndikaenda naye kunoti uya kuite spokesperson ku Zanu.
Chaiva, his problem, when I was still in Zanu Pf, I actually literally dragged him saying, come and be our spokesperson within Zanu Pf.
Ndobva tamupope kubikira sadza kuMbare. Izvo tikabuda muno tosvika aine kakicheni kake papost office yekuMbare paari kubika sadza.
We gave him a place where he could stay cooking his food there.
So
if we are to go right now in Mbare closer to post office, we'll find him where he's staying.
Saka kana achiuya muno mukuzotestifya aitoziva kuti ndikataura zviri against Zanu Pf pandiri kubikira sadza ndaenda.
So as he was testifying, he knew very well that if he was to testify against Zanu Pf, he was going to lose his place.
I testify aine kutotya mukati make kutorerwa pekushandira nekuti Zanu yacho kenitora kune vatakatotorera dzimba vari kuMbare.
So as he was testifying, he was actually full of fear, being afraid that his place could be taken. Zanu Pf has that history. Even in Mbare, we took some houses.
Zokuti nhasi kana mukada kuti tifambe nemi muhosteri ndokuzive kuti uyu ndindakamaaloketa uyu ndindakamaaloketa uyu ndindakamaaloketa, not kuti cancel but inini.
If you want to go with me to Mbare hostels, I will show you the people whom I gave houses. It was not through the city council. Where was the power coming from?
So here to garamuno kusunga matai kuti tikuya kuzotsvaga kuti akauraya munhu ndiani. Ngati conclude tichidai akauraya munhu mustreet anditi masoja fine.
So
zvari masoja akauraya munhu hamungatumezve mapurisa akaitwa disarmed kuti go and investigate musoja anorohwazve mangani mapurisa akarohwa pakuwa.
So let us conclude this way. For us to come smartly dressed with ties before this commission, honestly trying to find out who killed the civilians, let us conclude this way. Soldiers killed civilians. But you cannot send the same police officers who were disarmed to go and investigate soldiers who disarmed them. They will be assaulted.
I was happy, Commissioner Gerapa, second from last week. Vachibvunza mupurisa here kuti maane accused a person panyaya yemurder.
I was happy to hear one of the commissioners, the one who is second from the last, who asked the officer who testified here on whether they already have an accused person in connection with a murder case.
And ndakachema misodzi ndichiona TV achiti hatina. Unogoti hauna sei paine musoja ari kuopena fire against a civilian.
I literally cried as I was watching on a television when I heard that police officer saying that we have no murder accused person. Once it is clear, seeing a soldier shooting, why are they not shooting, arresting that soldier?
Ndo paya patinozonzi mutemo muno munyika unoselectwa. Ku opposition unobata stereki. Ku ruling party haubate.
So that is where it is now said, the rule of law, when it comes to the application of law here in Zimbabwe, is selective. They arrest members of the opposition, but they do not arrest those who belong to the ruling party.
Isu takaenderwa pa TV, zikanzi wanted person, Jim Ubiti, Morgan Komichi, Amelo. And it
on the television, it was said openly that we were wanted, that is Jim Kunaka, Tendai Biti, Morgan Komichi, and we were arrested.
Party. Mutemo unotiwo.
But what does the law say?
We don't arrest to investigate. We investigate to arrest. Nanhasi hatisati tatongwa vari kuti we are still investigating. So makambotibatirei musati maona kuti tisakapara maka.
We have not yet been tried. But the question is, well, if they were still investigating, if they were not satisfied with the evidence which they had, why were we arrested?
Pandakakidnapwa ndakanoripota ndichitoziva kuti musoja akandikidnapa akaya pamba pangu ndinhingi. But dhoketi rangu rakatora gore rese tisina chaitika kusvika ndati vharai dhoketi rarume ndazviona kuti muri kutya kunosunga gunners.
When I was kidnapped, I knew the soldier who kidnapped me. I actually knew him. But for a year, that soldier was not arrested, up to a point where I had to go to the police saying, you are afraid to arrest the soldier. Here in Zimbabwe, we normally call them gunners.
Through you, Chairman, taikumbira kuti mungopa instruction yes commission kuti musoja ari kubuda pa video yauya ari pa action ngauye pano atestify kuti it was 45 degrees here or aifire chii not kuti muti aiwa musoja aimati anozikamwa anogara mulocation hapana munhu asingazikamwe.
Through you, Honorable Chairperson, I'm requesting you that you call the soldier whom we are seeing in that video footage at that point shooting, so that you will come and clarify on whether that gun was at 45 degrees or not. We know where he stays. He is known. He stays in a location in a suburb, high density suburb.
Izvozvi kutaura kwatikita tichipedza panapa tiri patsaona imi ndimakatinyorera matsamba ekuti shedza kuti tiwe kuzotestify mukatitoresa othi pano tatora mhiko ndokupika kuti handikwanise kunyepera dare rino saka ndataura chokwadi changu saka chizivai kuti kana taakushungurudzwa izvozvi tichibuda munomu tinokogona kuti kuswera mangwana taakutonzi une kesi yawakaita 2014 ndakutokandwa futi mumasales iri nyaya yekundifikisa kuti ndauirei pano ndikatestify. Commission izovai kutinyorera tsamba kwamaita kana tazokufonerai kuti uyai tiri pasendra wekulow and order mouya mosvika motibuditsawo nekuti tiri kutonosungwa.
So our lives as it is, after giving evidence, our lives are at risk. We know what is coming, what is waiting for us, awaiting us. There is a possibility that cases maybe they will come with cases which could have happened around 2014. So the way you wrote letters calling us here, the same way you should protect us. We know that we are going to be arrested after giving evidence, but we are under oath. We have no option. We have to say it as it is.
Tichigara pasi ndati ndingokuremindai kuti ndati I'm not going to answer my questions. Amaimanyeruke.
As I sit down, I want to remind you, like what I indicated earlier on, that I'm not going to answer questions from Professor Manyeruke.
Because my questions are biased.
Because your questions are biased.
I will not answer to that.
We were participating together, planning together, so she cannot ask me questions while she's the one who was sending me. I will not do that. On some of these other issues which were raised, alleging that I committed an offense, that witness, I will meet him before a court of law.
But ziva kuti kana Zanu Pf iri kutora vanhu vachivati endai kupati iyi iko usiri ikoko munhu wese azopedzera aenda ikoko because uri kungoti ndo kwauri inyaya yekusapota vision iri kuopposition ku MDC Alliance. So saka kana ndikasapota vision, I did not say I'm a member there, but their vision ndakatoiona vana vembwa vasvinurira nenguva imwe chete ndakanga ndakaputirwa ndiri kuZanu. But anyway, ndakazosvinurawo ndikaona kuti no tairova varume ava but vanga vaine a cause iri very very crucial kunyika yedu yeZimbabwe. So I'm supporting their cause.
So if
not because I'm a member of MDC,
Zanu Pf is aligning us to MDC Alliance, that will happen. But in my case, I'm not a member of MDC Alliance. I support their vision. It's only that I realized that they had a good cause, a good vision. At a later stage, it's normal in life that we see or we happen to open our eyes at different stages. But at my stage, I realized that MDC Alliance was fighting for a good cause.
History inotiyo vana general vama VP nas vakaenda kuhondo vaine ma 13 years era vanenge vachitiudza ma 25 years. Morwadziwa nesu tiri kuti tinoda kumbotonga kuti ane 40 ivo vakatanga kutonga vaine makore mangani. We are just 40 ivo vakatonga vaine 25. Saka isusu marwadziwo nesu kuti titongewo tiine 40. Ingatambokupai mukana. Sadaro.
If you are to go by the history of this country, the generals who are now the vice presidents of this country, they went to fight for the liberation struggle when they were aged 13, some 25. That is when they started the ruling. But we have given them the opportunity. Now we are saying, give us the opportunity also to lead. So to us at this age, the age of 40, I don't understand that.